What environmental challenge is characterized by the acidification of the world's oceans due to the absorption of excess carbon dioxide from the atmosphere? Which country is known for originating the sport of rugby with two main variants, rugby union and rugby league? Which famous physicist formulated the theory of relativity with the famous equation MC, revolutionizing our understanding of space, time, and energy? Who was the lead vocalist of the British rock band Queen, known for his powerful and charismatic stage presence, and famous for hits like Bohemian Rhapsody? What musical term, often used in orchestral compositions, indicates a slow and stately tempo, typically conveying a sense of dignity and grandeur? What is the term for a type of malware that encrypts a user's files or data and demands a ransom for their decryption, often delivered via email or malicious websites? Which celestial event occurs when the moon moves directly between the Earth and the Sun, partially or entirely blocking out the Sun's light? Which NBA team has won the most championships in the history of the league? In educational settings, what term is used to describe the practice of grouping students based on their abilities or academic levels for instruction? Which type of pasta is often used to make the classic Italian dish carbonara? Who is the iconic British rock band known for hits like Bohemian Rhapsody, We Will Rock You, and Another One Bites the Dust? Which global issue involves the depletion of Earth's natural resources, often driven by population growth and unsustainable consumption patterns? What educational philosophy, developed by Maria Montessori, encourages children to explore and learn through self-directed activities, often with specially designed materials? What is the primary ingredient in the popular Korean dish kimchi? Who is the Dutch painter famous for works like The Night Watchman Girl with the Pearl Earring and is considered one of the most significant artists of the Dutch Golden Age? What term describes the practice of adapting teaching methods and materials to accommodate students with diverse learning needs and abilities? Who is the American artist famous for his abstract expressionist drip paintings, such as Number One Ye, 1948? What term describes the process of evaluating a student's readiness for a particular educational program or level, often used for placement decisions? What is the term used in tennis when a player wins a point without the opponent returning the ball, typically due to an unforced error or an ace? What term describes the process of sending information or data from one computer or device to another, or the internet or a network? What international treaty, signed in 1968, aims to prevent the spread of nuclear weapons and promote disarmament among member states? Which gas do humans exhale when they breathe? Which Italian artist is renowned for painting the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel, including the famous creation of Adam fresco? In Roman mythology, what goddess is the counterpart of the Greek goddess Artemis and is associated with the hunt, wildlife, and the moon? What is the largest species of shark and one of the largest fish in the ocean, known for its gentle nature and filter feeding on plankton and small fish? Which ancient wonder of the world no longer exists? Which Italian pasta is shaped like small rice grains and is often used in soups? What term refers to the deliberate destruction or killing of a large number of people from a particular ethnic, racial, or religious group, often considered a crime against humanity? What is the term for a small rocky object that orbits the Sun, often found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, and can vary in size from a few meters to hundreds of kilometers? What is the largest planet in our solar system, known for its immense size and iconic swirling bands of clouds, such as the Great Red Spot? What term describes a system of education that combines elements of traditional in-person learning with online instruction and digital resources? Which bird species is famous for its ability to mimic sounds in human speech, making it a popular pet in many households? What is the term for a severe and widespread outbreak of a disease, often affecting a large number of people or spreading across multiple regions or countries? Which branch of mathematics focuses on the study of shapes, sizes, and properties of figures and spaces, often taught in schools as a fundamental subject? What is the term for a person who provides instruction, guidance, and support to students in an educational setting, facilitating their learning and development? What international organization focuses on promoting and protecting workers' rights, improving labor standards, and ensuring fair labor practices globally?